Why are you being so difficult?
I'm not being difficult. I'm asking questions. Why aren't you answering any of them?
Are you okay? Are you
Yes.
still okay?
Are you?
Do you have any mental illness that we need to deal with?
Do you? Am I presenting myself that I do?
You are actually.
How?
You are. What can I do for you, sir?
Are you finished dealing with me now then?
No. You okay?
I'm waiting
What are
patiently
you waiting for, sir?
for you to get back in your vehicle, I assume.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by Ska Kid, who in October of 2017 was out for a walk when Officer A. Fliss of the Toronto Police pulled up alongside him and exited his vehicle, leaving it in the center of the road.
What's your name and badge number?
Here.
You don't have to approach me. A Fidge.
Listen a second, okay, sir?
6775.
Hey, listen to me.
Well, are you enforcing?
Yeah. Right now, there's a camera on the car. Microphone here recording our conversation. You understand?
Well, are you enforcing?
Yeah. So what's happened is there's someone who's called in complaining that someone's checking door handles of cars.
In this area?
Yes, sir.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah. Do you live in this area, sir?
Yes?
Yeah. Whereabouts do you live?
What's the description of the person?
Why are you being so difficult?
I'm not being difficult. I'm asking questions. Why aren't you answering any of them?
Sir, do you live around here?
Yes.
Do you? Whereabouts do you live?
Why do I need to answer that question? I'm not checking vehicles.
No? Okay. I just explained to you why I'm here.
And I just said I'm not
I just want to make sure
checking
that
vehicles.
you're not. Are you okay? Are you
Yes.
still okay?
Are you?
Do you have any mental illness that we need to deal with?
Do you?
No, I don't actually.
Okay.
Do you, sir?
Am I presenting myself that I do?
You are actually.
How?
You are.
It's important to know what your rights are. An officer has the right to ask just about anything they want. However, they do not have the authority to compel your speech and demand answers, especially regarding your identity or residence unless there is a legal basis for the request. In this case, the officer claims that there are reports of someone checking car handles. Aside from Ska Kid's presence in the area, there is no probable cause to suggest that he is the culprit. The officer isn't trying to help Ska Kid, obvious by his demeanor and attitude during this inquiry. The officer is looking for anything that would establish grounds for an arrest. Answering the officer's questions only helps his case, and because Ska Kid has not been engaged in criminal activity, he opts out of answering them. This has obviously upset the officer. He has now asked if Ska Kid has any mental issues, and while the question is masked with intent to be helpful, it is obvious that the question is meant to be demeaning, degrading. After all, rarely do those suffering a mental health emergency know the urgency of their situation. The officer's questions only serve to escalate.
Am I presenting myself that I do?
You are actually.
How?
You are.
How so?
But regardless, you understand what my questions are, right?
You haven't answered any of my questions.
Sir, I have.
No,
I have.
you never identified yourself. I don't know how to pronounce your name.
Well, that's
I noticed that there's a
for you.
piece of fuzz and it's Fliss.
Are you being disrespectful now?
I asked for your identification and you failed to provide it.
Or what do I look like to you?
Didn't somebody just cause a car accident because they were dressed up as a police officer
No.
a few weeks ago?
No.
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
I guess you don't see the police car here either. Maybe you're struggling with that as well.
Well, you just didn't identify yourself, that's all.
Yeah.
Okay,
See the police car?
okay.
Yeah. Does that look like a police car to you?
Do you want to go find out who's doing the doorknobs, the door handles on cars?
But that's why I'm speaking with you, sir.
Okay. Do I match the description of the person?
Well, you've got a backpack on. There's a chance that you may have changed your clothing. I've seen you walking around here and you're coming back on the road. I'm not trying to be difficult with you, okay? But you're being difficult with me.
I'm not in any way whatsoever being difficult.
What can I do for you, sir?
Are you finished dealing with me now then?
No.
So
wait for a second, okay?
Yeah, thanks.
You okay?
I'm waiting
What are
patiently
you waiting for, sir?
for you to get back in your vehicle, I assume. Yeah.
But you see that's a police car, right?
To be released.
You see that's a police car, correct? Are you struggling with that?
What?
You know, probably back in grade 1, someone taught you that these are police cars.
Are you insulting my intelligence?
No,
Are you insinuating that I'm stupid?
I'm suggesting that you don't understand what a police car is because you're not sure who I am. That's what I'm trying to help you.
You failed to identify yourself. You didn't say your badge number is 6775.
What? Did you not see this?
You didn't say that your
camera?
name is AFLIS.
Right. So
You
see
failed.
everything
You
here.
failed to provide that. You
I
didn't.
failed?
You didn't.
Do you not see that?
You didn't articulate your
Am I hiding
identity.
am I hiding something from you?
You didn't articulate your identity. You asked me if
Why
I
are they so
suffered a mental illness. What if I was just unable to read?
Well, no, actually, you read very clearly when I first approached you. Very clearly, sir.
Okay,
So,
so then why are
I know
you
you're playing
questioning my
football.
capacity to see that that's a police vehicle? Why are you continuing to have a conversation with me when there is currently a crime being committed that you have stated? Is that the man?
Does it look like the man? Is he on a
Do you
bicycle?
suspect-
Is he walking?
Wouldn't it
Or
be
is he
the
in a car?
fastest way to get away would be you in a car? Is that the person?
Okay, sir.
That
Listen,
is that the
It
person?
seems like you're having a hard time today.
No.
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 Okay, so listen.
Is that the person?
So you take care of yourself, okay?
Okay.
All right. You enjoy your walk.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Wonderful.
Okay. Carry on. Go for
Yes,
this
you
walk.
too, please. I'm not comfortable turning my back on you.
No.
No.
Good. That's a shame.
Okay, I'll go this way then. Okay.
Go on, okay? Need some help? Just give me a call.
You personally? Police services? Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. For the camera, I assume.
And just like that, without ever asking any other questions regarding the alleged reason for the stop, Officer Fliss returns to his vehicle and drives it towards Scott Kidd in a way that we've seen many officers take as a threat and open fire. It was more than likely to get Scott Kidd's image on the dash cam prior to leaving, but it forced Scott Kidd to move backward to avoid being hit, and again, does nothing to strengthen the relations between law enforcement and the public. Keep filming, everyone. Know your rights and use them. They are there to protect you. A big thanks to Scott Kidd for allowing me to showcase his video. Be sure to head over to his channel and let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.